everybody, I'm back. And today I'm making this super cute makeup look with, I'm sorry, but one of the cutest palettes that has ever come to Earth. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and welcome to The Cute Life. Today, I am so excited because if you do not know Nikki Lipstick, she creates the cutest clothes, hats, beanies, pasties, and now she has an eyeshadow palette. And I cannot tell you how long I have been waiting for this girl to come out with makeup, because if anyone should have a makeup line, it's Nikki Lipstick. I mean, it's in her name. I have been following her since probably the MySpace days, so over 10 years. And I was on MySpace and I happened across this gorgeous girl. Well, she's not a girl, she's a woman. But she was gorgeous and so striking, and her style was so unique. I just was like obsessed, sorry, but a little bit obsessed with like her and her clothing line that she had, and her female body positivity message just really, at the time, I didn't hear anyone talking like this that looked the way she did. She was very much into empowering women, especially when it comes to their bodies and their sexuality. But she was still like cute and cool and just, I don't know, I was just really taken with her. So I've been following her ever since. I have a lot of her clothing items. I also ordered this t-shirt, so appropriate, right? When I ordered the palette, but I have a lot of her items already, and I just loved her whole doll cult movement. So yeah, if you haven't heard of Nikki Lipstick, you need to check her out. I will link her website below along with her social media. Her Instagram is just... Anyway, I'm so excited to create something cute with the cutest palette that's ever lived. So if you want to see how I created this super cute Nikki Lipstick inspired and created by look, stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my complexion first because you've seen me do that a bunch of times and I'm sure you don't want to see it again. So, really quick, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so complexion, contour. Also did my brows because, again, I have a whole video on how I do my brows, so I don't need to show you again. But now let's get into fun stuff. We are going to play with our Nikki Lipstick eyeshadow palette. How gorgeous. And look at these colors. These are all the colors I would expect in a Nikki Lipstick palette. Pinks, blacks, purples, shimmers, mattes. These are like even more than just shimmeries. These are glittery even. And I love all the colors. I don't know how I'm gonna decide what to put on my face. But before we do, let me prime my eyelids. This is the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. If I could forget to mention anything that I'm using, I always put everything I'm using in the description box. So if I forget to mention what it is, just look down there. It'll be down there. I usually don't forget to put it down there. Now, what even to start with? Well, let's get a fluffy brush here, something like this. And I think I'm gonna start this light purple color. I also love the big mirror. Yes. Pretty. Bring that pretty high up on my brow bone. Other side. Now I'm going to get a flat shadow brush and I am going to grab this bright pink color and I'm gonna put that all over my lid, a little bit up into the crease and kind of blend that up into the purple. You tap it on first and then kind of pat it around. And then once it's in the general vicinity that you want it, then you can start kind of rubbing and blending. I'm going to take this sparkly black color. I'm gonna put that on the outer third of my eye on my lid and up onto the brow bone. And just pat it in the area that you want it. It doesn't have to be perfectly neat because we're gonna blend it once it's in the area we want. So that's generally where I want it. So now I can start kind of blending it into the other colors. And just tiny little bit over into the crease. And I'm gonna go back into that fluffy brush that had the purple and blend this. Just little circular motions, so that all the colors kind of blend together on the edges. I'm going to take my finger, I'm going to take this light pink mauve color and I'm going to put that on top of the pink, just with quick little pats, just to get a little bit of shimmer on there. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to do our bottom lashes and I'm going to use that flat brush again, wipe it off on a towel. Just gonna make little swirly motions on a towel to clean it off before you dip it into another color. And I'm going to go back into the pink and put that all along my lower lash line. And into the black, and that's just going to go on the outer third of the lower lash. Kind of work it up into that black that's already there on the top of the lid. And blend along the bottom line, along the lower lash, that's what I meant to say. And now I'm going to take a very big fluffy brush, clean, and smoke everything out even more. Again with circular motions. Cute. I like that shimmer on top of the pink. I think I'm going to take a very tiny one, a small fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into this blue here and I'm going to put that on the inner corners of my eyes as a highlight. It's going to do it for the shadow, but we are going to come back to this palette for another part of our look. So let's take a sip of tea. And now let's do our eyeliner. So we're going to do a liquid liner. And I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Proline felt tip eyeliner. And we're just going to make a big wing. Make a really big wing. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna bring it all the way across the lid. Okay. Looks good. All right, mascara. Okay, lashes now. And I'm going to be using my Eyeshadow Japan ones that I don't know the number of, the ones that I always cut in half. And I cannot find these anywhere. And I'm very, very sad. So if anybody knows where to get Eyeshadow lashes anymore, I couldn't find them in the store. I couldn't find them even on their website, at least not in this style. And not even the ones that are close to this style, because they had a few different that were very similar. I can't find them anywhere. I can only find, I don't have the other ones with me, but this other style that's just not my favorite. So if anybody knows, please, please leave me a comment and tell me. Please, they're my favorite. I even would like hoard them and not use them anymore because I couldn't find them anywhere. And now I'm just, this look is just ideal for these lashes. So on my last pair, these are my last pair. I can get quite a few more wears out of them, but they're not gonna last forever. Okay, and I'm also gonna do some bottom lashes. These are, I think these are Deluxe, I think that's what it's called. But I've trimmed them down to just the very end. That's the lashes. What's next? Lips. Do I want to do pink or black? I'm gonna do black. Just think I am. Okay, I need a black liner. And this is just some very inexpensive black liner. I don't even know. Never even heard of this stuff. Don't even know where I got it. And then I'm going to take my black lipstick from Makeup Forever, and I'm going to use a lip brush since it's so dark, just to get really precisely in there, and to kind of warm up the tip, because I haven't used this in a while, so it's a little, I mean, it smells fine, so it's probably fine. And I'm gonna put some gloss, just some clear gloss on top of this. Okay, so there's the lips. And one thing we have left is blush, but I wanted to do something a little fun and kind of mimic the little postcard that she sent in with the items, and kind of do these little hearts on the cheeks. I have some heart stickers, so I'm gonna go get them really quick because I forgot them. Okay, yeah, so I have these little heart stickers, and I'm gonna kind of stick them like in this area, and then I'm gonna put my blush on top of them. Let's just get a few of these off here. So I'm going to go back into the palette now, and I'm going to take this fluffy brush just to kind of work around the little areas, and then we'll get a bigger brush and bring it more down on the cheeks. So I'm going to go back into this bright pink color and just tap around the stickers. And I'm gonna take a blush brush go into that pink, just a tiny bit though, 'cause this is very bright. And I'm gonna kind of bring it down onto my contour a little. A little bit up onto my temple. And then I'm gonna get that clean fluffy brush again and blur out the sides of the area where the heart is. Okay, let's remove the hearts. Let's see if this worked. It's subtle. It's very subtle. Maybe we need to put a little more of the bright pink on. Maybe we can go a little heavier with that. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Cute. Good, cute. Okay, let's do that on the other side. That's cute. Okay, yeah, so that's my look today. What do you think? You like it? Well, I think you can tell I had a lot of fun with this palette. I love it. I love these colors. I didn't get to play too much with these like purpley shimmers, but I'm sure I'll be doing more looks with this palette probably over on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram if you want to see more looks that I'm going to create with this Nikki lipstick palette. Finally, my girl did it. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. It's how I decide what kind of videos to make. So if you want me to make more kinds of videos like this, you gotta let me know by giving the video a like. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on more makeup stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. That has ever come. When I was with one of the cutest palettes that has ever